पब्लिक एक्सप्रेस पे स्वागत है। हम यहाँ पे असम पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज में हैं। तो यहाँ पे बच्चे, छोटे छोटे बच्चों ने देखिए कितने अच्छे अच्छे कार्य किए हैं, फल बने हुए हैं। तो इनसे हम चर्चा करते हैं कि क्या करते हैं। जी, अब क्या नाम है आपका?
I am Shri Jaiswal and today our group will explain the human digestive system. Digestion is the process of converting the food into nutrients. It contains many parts such as the mouth, stomach, small intestine and the large intestine. Each part plays an important role in converting the food into energy. Our human digestive system is about 9 meters long from the mouth to the anus. It works continuously to provide us with enough strength and energy to work. Now let's start the journey of food in our body. I would like to call my friend Ramin to continue.
Thank you, Shirs. The digestion starts in the mouth where teeth chew food and saliva breaks it down. The saliva contains an enzyme called amylase. Next, the food passes through the esophagus to reach in the stomach. Now, Mandeep will tell you what happens next in the stomach.
Thank you, Ramin. In the stomach, the food mixes digestive juices like hydrochloric acid and pepsin. This helps to digest protein and kill germs. The stomach muscles can churn the food from the food and several hours. The stomach can hold up to a 1.5 liter food and liquid. From here, the substances slowly move on the small intestine for further digestion. Now let's move on. The Kavya will be explain small intestine.
Thank you, Mandeep. The small intestine is the longest part of the system. It is about 6 to 7 meters long. Here, juices from the liver and pancreas help in breaking down foods, fats and carbohydrates. Nutrients are absorbed by a small finger-like structure called villi present in its inner wall. Now I invite Tane Mishra to tell about large intestine.
Thank you, Kavya. In the large intestine, water is absorbed and waste is formed. It is about 1.5 meter long and much wider than a small intestine. Then the waste passes through the body, out of the body through the anus. It takes 24 to 72 hours. So the digestive system helps us get energy and stay healthy. Thank you, and we hope you will understand our topic well.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We are the students of Asam Public School.
Now we are going to play the role of the 3 questions.
Once a king believed that if he knew the answer to 3 questions, he would never fail. He proclaimed that he would reward anyone who can answer them.
Tell me, what is the right time to be everything? Who is the most necessary people? And what is the most important thing to do?
To be prepared, you must make a timetable for every day, a month and year followed secretly.
That is impossible. It is better to have a council of wise men to help decide the proper time for everything.
Some say only a fancier can know the future.
You all answers are different. None of you are satisfied me. I will seek the wisdom of the hermit.
The king went alone to the forest to find the hermit who was known for his wisdom. The hermit only saw a beguiled himself.
Oh, wise hermit, I have to ask you 3 questions. What is the right time to begin everything? Who is the most necessary people? And what is the most important thing for me to do?
Hermit did not answer to the question.
You look tired. Let me take this spade and work for you for a minute. A king is work for the hermit.
Tended to his injury, washing and bandaging the wood until the blood started flowing, they carried him into the hut.
I swore to kill you because you executed my brother and took his property. I planned to ambush you, but your bodyguard wounded me. You saved my life and I will serve you faithfully.
I forgive you. I will return your property and send my physician to tend to you.
Okay.
I ask you once more for the answer of my question.
You have already received your answer. The most important time, person and thing to do were all related to the present moment when you were helping others. With the hermit's final words, the king was realized that true wisdom is found on our society. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Edu Annual. We all are from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Today our topic is prepared under the guidance of Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
My name is Shifa Nas from class 7D. Welcome to Howrah Bridge. It was built to replace an oldest pontoon bridge that was growing traffic on Hooghly River. Next line explained by Falak.
Thank you, Shifa. This is the third largest cantilever bridge in the world. It is a common for photographers and street races to create a beautiful lace-like patterns. Next line will explain by Divanshu.
Thank you, Philip. The Howrah Bridge is 82-year-old as of November 2025, having been inaugurated on February 3, 1943. The best time to visit the Howrah Bridge is either during the morning or at night time. The next line will be explained by Divesh.
Thank you, Divanshu. Its design and construction involve unique engineering, including rivering the entire structure without nut and bolt, using high tensile steel from Tata Steel. Next line by Faiz.
Thank you, Divesh. Total and 705 meter location Kolkata Howrah Bridge, West Bengal. Open 3 February. Height 82 meter. Bridge type suspensive bridge. Architecture frame Clapton and Bridge Engineer Company. Thank you. Next line for us, Parvez.
Thank you, Faiz. The Howrah Bridge officially made Rabindra Setu was constructed between 1936 and 1942 and opened to the public on February 3, 1943. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Welcome from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. We has been prepared under the guidance of Jai Sir and Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Let's start. Myself Aksha Nas. I am Aksha Nas from class 5th B and I am feel very proud to speak a few lines of our 11th President APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the great scientist and 11th President of India. His full name was Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. His father name was Jainulabdin and his mother name was Aishi Amma Jainulabdin. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He is successfully led the development of Agni and Prithvi missile. His autobiography is Wings of Fire is famous among students. Now the further topic will be explained by Aradhya Mishra.
Thank you, Aksha. Served as the 11th President of India from the period of 2002 to 2007. He became the Chancellor of India Institute of Science and Technology, Tiruvandhapuram, and Professor of Aerospace Engineering at Anna University, visiting peculiarly at IIT Shillong, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, and Indore. Now the further topic will be explained by Uma.
Thank you, Aradhya. He remained active until the last day of his life. He scheduled to deliver a lecture at IIM Shillong 27 July 15. Only 5 minutes into his lecture, he collapsed and was rushed to the Bethany Hospital, where he was confirmed dead of a sudden cardiac arrest. He was performed on his hometown, Rameshwaram. Now the further topic will be explained by Hassan.
My art is an animated cartoon character. His name is Ichigo Kurosaki. He is a Japanese anime character. He is an high school student whose age is 16 years old. He always says, I am not Superman. I will not protect everyone, but I will always hope to protect everyone on the earth till my death. Thank you.
Introduction Prabhatam. Vayam sarve SN Public School Chhatrayam. Mam namai asti. Vayam shishtam kachai pathama. Asmakam advishya shloka asti. Asmakam Sanskrit adhyapika Srimati Namrata Sharma asti. Prathama shloka. Isham na vidya na tapo na danam jnanam na sheelam na gudo na dharma te mrityu loke bhuvi bhar bhuta manushya rupena mrigha charanti manushya rupena mrigha charanti. इस श्लोक का अर्थ ये है कि जिसमें न ज्ञान है, न तप है, न दान है, न विद्या है, न गुण है, वे संसार में पृथ्वी के बोझ हैं और मानव रूप में पशु की तरह घूमते रहते हैं. द्वितीय श्लोक. विदेशेषु धनं विद्या वैधनेषु धनमति परलोके धन धर्म सर्वत्र वैधनम सर्वत्र वैधनम। इस श्लोक का अर्थ ये है कि विदेश में विद्या धन है, संकट में बुद्धि धन है, परलोक में धर्म धन है, और हमारा शील अच्छा व्यवहार ही हर जगह धन है। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Edu Carnival.
Myself Yashi Mishra.
Myself Alicia Fatima.
Myself Ritul Singh.
Myself Aman Yadav.
We are the student of class 6C. This project is prepared under the guidance of our Vijay Lakshmi ma'am. We all see waste lying around in school, on the street and in public places. The main reason is that people either don't find dustbin nearby or are too lazy to use them. So our team thought, what if dustbin could move toward people itself and detect waste automatically? That's how we create our model, the Smart AI Dustbin. This dustbin can move, detect waste and separate wet and dry garbage using artificial intelligence principles. Now let's show you how it's work.
Oh, who cares? It's just a vapor, someone will clean it.
Oh shit. Ritul, you are littering again. Don't you care about cleanness?
Alicia, don't see it. Any dustbin nearby, it is not my fault.
See, this is what usually happens. But imagine a dustbin can move towards you when it detects waste. That's exactly what our Smart AI Dustbin does.
Let me explain how our AI Smart Dustbin works. Our model is sensor to detect the movement of objects like someone throw waste near it, motors and wheels that help it to move toward the waste automatically. Two compartments, one for dry waste like wrappers and paper, and second compartment for fruit and fruit peels. Control unit and Arduino option that help it to direct to the movement of the bin.
Look, the dustbin moves toward the waste. This shows how AI and sensors can make even simple things more smarter and more efficient.
When the dustbin detects waste, it can stop near it and users can put the garbage into the correct compartment. If we add a camera and a image recognition in future, it could identify automatically the whether waste is wet and dry. This feature helps in recycling because the wet and waste dry are separated at the source, saving its time and effort later.
This dustbin not just a school project, it's a step solving real life problems. It can be used in schools, hospitals, parks, airports and other public places.
Wow, I never thought technology could help the environment like this. We learned my lesson from now on. Tell garbage throw in the dustbin.
That's the change we want to create, making people responsible with the help of smart technology.
Our Smart AI Dustbin show how artificial intelligence is used for every day. The purpose of waste management to cleanliness and hygiene.
Clean surrounding means a healthy life and moving dustbin means a favorite excuses to litter.
Exactly. Our message is simple. Let's blend innovation with responsibility to create a cleaner, greener India. Smart ideas create a smart nation. Let's keep India clean with the Smart AI Dustbin. Thank you.
चलो everyone, we are the student of SN Public School, Muzaffarganj branch, Mirzapur.
Hello, myself Gaurav Mathur. Today we are gathered to her space view about volcanic eruption. It is prepared by us, Mr. Avinash, with the help of Mr. Avinash sir. A volcano is a vent or and usually circular in from on the earth's surface on gas. This vent allows hot magma, molten rocks inside the earth, extremely hot interior of the earth. Now we explain very.
Thank you, Gaurav. This molten magma which flows out through the vent is called lava. After the volcano has erupted, it cools and forms into a bowl-shaped hollow called the crater. Now be explained by Kunal.
Thank you, Arif. A volcano are found here mostly the edge of Pacific Ocean. This huge vent is shaped like the horsehole. In this region, the 452 volcanoes and 75% of all the dormant volcanoes lie here. Now next will be explained by Aniket.
Thank you, Kunal. Volcanoes are of the three types. First, inactive or dormant volcano. Volcanoes can remain inactive or dormant for more than 100 or 1000 of years before erupting again. Second, extinct volcano. Once a volcano has been dormant for more than 10,000 years, it is termed extinct. Now be explained by Aditya.
Thank you, Aniket. Active volcano erupt and often lead to the destruction. Now my topic is over.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur.
Hello everyone. We are the students
me, and today we are presenting human skeletal 3D model in the guidance of our science teacher Varsha ma'am. Let's start. The skeletal gives shape and support to our body. The skull protects our brain and forms our head and face. Now my friend Mahi will tell you about spine and ribs.
Thank you, Aradhya. The spine and backbone help us to stand straight and bend easily. It is made up of very small bones are called vertebrates. The ribcage will protect us from hurt and lungs. Now my friend Vaishnavi tell you forelimbs and hind limbs.
Thank you, Mahi. Our arms and hands help us to lift, hold and ride. The humerus, radius and ulna are the main bones in our arms. Now, my dear friend Pranjal, we tell you hand and leg bones.
Thank you, my friend Vaishnavi. Each hand the small bone called flexible in finger. Our leg us to walk, run and jump. Now my dear friend Samaira will tell you the importance of skeleton.
Thank you, my dear friend Pranjal. The main leg bones are femur, tibia and fibula. So the skeletal support our body and all internal organs. Thank you. We hope you liked our project on human skeletal system. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon,
everyone. We are the students of Hasan Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur.
My name is Anshika Yadav. We are from class 5th C. Our topic is factor tree. Now further will explain by Prati. Thank you. Today we represent the factor model of number 72. Now further will explain by Norta.
Thank you. It starts with the number 72 at the top. Now further will be explained by Anshika.
Thank you. The number is repeatedly broken down into a factor. We can say that branches. The process of continues until all the numbers at bottom all leaves are prime number. Now further will explain by Soumya.
Yes, thank you. The base confirms that final result showing the prime factors of 72 are 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. This project model visually demonstrates that 72 is the composed of prime number 2 and 3. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are the students of Hasan Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Soumya Jaiswal. We are from class 5th C. Our project is Noun, which has prepared under the guidance of Salima ma'am. Noun, it is a word that gives a name to everything. Now, further topic will be explained by Akriti.
Thank you, Soumya. Common noun. It's give common names to person, animal, place, on thing which are of the same kind. Example: plant, bell, eraser, sharpener, pen. Now, further topic will be explained by Vasil.
Thank you, Akriti. Proper noun. It gives special names to a particular person, name, animal or thing. Example: cream, cup, Fevicol. Now further will be explained by Shirish.
Thank you, Vasil. Abstract noun. It is a name of some quality, feeling or idea. Example: baby cried in pain. Next, explained by Pratyush.
Thank you, Shirish. Now, collective noun. A noun that names a person, animal or things considered as one whole. Example: a collection of coins, bundle of sticks, bunch of keys. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are the students of Hasan Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. Today we are going to present a short note on reflection and refraction under the guidance of our science teacher, Miss Varsha Singh ma'am. So light helps us to see the world around us and make the world bright and beautiful. Now I would like to hand over to my friend Karthik. He will tell you more about lights of reflection.
When a light falls on a shiny and smooth surface and bounces back, it is called the reflection of light. According to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. Mirror work on this property of light. Now I would like to hand over my friend Atharv.
Thank you, Karthik. When light passes from one medium to another, like air to water, water to glass, on its path are called reflection. Now I would like to hand over my friend Paridhi.
Thank you, Atharv. Reflection happens because light travels in a different speed and different materials. It helps us to make lenses using these particles, microscopes and cameras. Now I would like to hand over to my friend Ishrat Jahan to be continued.
Thank you, Fuzzy. Reflection and reflection are both important concepts in our daily life. Reflection helps us see ourselves in reflection, and reflection helps us see things clearly. Now I would like to hand over to my friend Sujay to conclude our presentation.
Thank you, Shreya. Light truly make our world bright, meaningful truths, reflection on reflection. Thank you.
Thank you.
पातं वयं सर्वे एसन् पब्लिक् स्कूलस्य छात्राः स्म। मम नाम अनाया सर्वश्रेष्ठ अस्ति। वयं सर्वे सप्तमकक्षायां पठामः। अस्माकम् अध्यविषये स्वामी विवेकानन्द अस्ति। अस्माकं संस्कृत अध्यापिका श्रीमती नर्मदा शर्मा अस्ति।
मम नाम आन्या द्विवेदी अस्ति।
मम नाम अर्दा शेख अस्ति।
मम नाम वरीदी कसेरा अस्ति।
मम नाम अंश यादव अस्ति।
स्वामी विवेकानंद बाताकलस्य नाम नरेंद्रनाथ आसीत्। तस्य जन्म कोलकाता नगरे अभवत्। भारतदेशे इति नाम चरते। तस्य पिता नाम विश्वनाथ आसीत्। तस्य माता नाम भुवनेश्वरी देवी आसीत्।
स्वामी विवेकानन्दस्य गुरु रामकृष्ण अय्यंस आसीत्। तस्य शिक्षिका भगिनी निवेदा आसीत्। नरेंद्रनाथ स्वामी विवेकानन्दस्य इतः नामः प्रसिद्धोदत्। तस्य बहवः शिष्याः अद्भुत।
स्वामी विवेकानंद महान योगिचा समाज सुधारकस्य अस्य शिकागो धर्म महासभायां भारत प्रवर्तितम्।
स्वामी विवेकानन्दस्य योगदान भारतस्य भूषणमासीत्। तस्य महोदय तस्य प्रभावः गुणभाषे लोकप्रिय अभवत्। विदेशे अपि स हिन्दुधर्मस्य लोकप्रिय अभवत्। स्वामी विवेकानन्दस्य भारतस्य भूषणमासीत्।
तस्य प्रसिद्धि उद्देश्यः
उत्तिष्ठत्,
जाग्रत,
प्रातः,
वरानी बोधक।
उठो जागो, तब तक प्रयास करो जब तक अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त ना कर लो। धन्यवाद।
Good morning.
Good morning everyone. We all are from SN Public School, Muzaffarganj, Mirzapur. My name is Kavya Singh from class 7B. This project has been prepared under the guidance of our subject teacher, Mr. Prashant sir. Today we will presenting our project on the missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He belongs to a poor family but had big dreams and bright mind. Now my friend Shlok will tell you about his education and early career.
Thank you, Kavya. Dr. Kalam studied physics and later aerospace engineer. He studied physics and later aerospace engineer. He joined ISRO where he played a key role in developing India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. His dedication and hard work make him a true scientist and a national hero. Now my friend Rishabh will tell you about his great achievements.
Thank you, Shlok. Dr. Kalam became the Missile Man of India for his work Agni Prithvi missile. He received the Bharat Ratna, Indian highest civilian award. 11th President of India from 2002 and 2007, and by love by all. Next part will be explained Shreya.
Thank you, Rishabh. Dr. Kalam was humble, honest, and always encouraged. He used to dream big. He believed that dream transfer into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. He passed out 27 July 2015. While dreaming early, so doing what he loved most, teaching, he will always remain honest for every India. We salute Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man and the people's president and the pride of India. Thank you.
हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादन नमस्कारम बोलकर किया जाता है। मम नाम सुमनी कौर अस्ति। अहम पंजाबी अस्मि। अहम पंजाबी निवसामि। अद्य अस्माकं प्रदेशे ज्येष्ठ जनानां अभिवादनं सत श्री अकाल इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं पंजाबी हूँ, मैं पंजाब में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादन सत श्री अकाल बोलकर किया जाता है। मम नाम दृष्टि जायसवाल अस्ति। अहम तमिल अस्मि। अहम तमिलनाडु अस्मि। अत्र अस्माकं प्रदेशे ज्येष्ठजनानां अभिवादनं वडक्कम इति उक्त्वा क्रियते। इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं तमिल हूँ, मैं तमिलनाडु में रहती हूँ। हमारे यहाँ बड़ों का अभिवादन वडक्कम बोलकर किया जाता है। मम नाम प्रिया सेन अस्मि। अहम राजस्थानी।
कहते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए?
आज एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज ब्रांच पे एडू कार्निवल का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें बच्चों ने प्रोजेक्ट बना करके साइंस, मैथ, हिंदी, एसएसटी और सोशल साइंस पे प्रोजेक्ट बनाया गया है, संस्कृत पे बनाया गया है, जिस पे बच्चों ने उसको जो है इम्प्लीमेंट किया, उसको एक्टिंग किया और जिसका जो है जो बच्चों ने बड़ी कॉन्फिडेंस से, बड़े हर्ष के साथ, बड़ा उल्लास के साथ चीज़ को किया और पूरा प्रोग्राम और बच्चों का प्रोजेक्ट देख के बड़ा बेहतर लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा और हमें महसूस हुआ कि हर बच्चों को जो है 5 स्टार रेटिंग मिला, यानी कि मार्क्स जो था उनका 10 आउट ऑफ 10 मार्क्स था। और इन बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे कार्यक्रम हमारे टीचर्स के सहयोग से और हमारे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत जो है सहयोग किया, जो कि आज बहुत हम लोग भी बहुत जो है प्रोत्साहन, मतलब काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस हम लोग का बहुत बढ़ा है और हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और हम ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं अपने बच्चों को देते हैं कि जो कि वो अपने जीवन में ऊंची से ऊंची मुकाम पाएँ और अपने लाइफ को, पूरे परिवार को, पूरे ज़िले को, पूरे देश में अपना नाम रोशन करें। यही मेरी माँ विंध्यवासिनी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है। जय माँ सरस्वती, जय भारत माता।
बच्चे ने जो प्रोजेक्ट लिया है, बनाया है, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको? अपना परिचय देते बताएं।
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा जो बेटा मेरा प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं और टीचर का भी सहयोग है, बच्चे का भी। और
इस तरह से स्कूलों में कार्यक्रम करवाया जाता है
जी,
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इससे बच्चों को भी एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है। सबसे बड़ा योगदान टीचर्स का रहता है, उन लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की। बच्चे तो फिलहाल मेहनत करते ही हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है।
क्या नाम है आपके बच्चे का?
आशना खान, क्लास 4। और बस यही कहना चाहेंगे कि स्कूल की तरफ से बहुत बहुत थैंक यू, क्योंकि उन्होंने मौका दिया और बच्चे थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट भी हो रहे हैं, थोड़ा इनको भी थोड़ा हौसला अफजाई हो रहा है कि चलिए हम भी कुछ कर पा रहे हैं। चलिए ठीक है, थैंक यू। आप पूछिए सर। हाँ, नाम बताइए इनका ना। मयंक चौधरी। और टीचर बहुत अच्छी है, क्लास बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ के सर मैम, हेड मैम सब बहुत अच्छी हैं। मैम लोग का बहुत योगदान है। स्कूल बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ का पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छा होता है और हमारे बच्चे बहुत प्रोत्साहित होते हैं। थैंक यू।